Hello and welcome back viewers. Now in this lesson we are going to cover another very important topic, and this is spread. How spread is going to play important role in selecting our forex broker. Okay, what is the role of spread and how you can select your forex broker on the basis of a spread. Okay, so my dear students, as we know that spread is the difference between bid price and ask price, we have already discussed in basic terminologies. Okay, and whenever you are going to open account on any broker, they must have mentioned their spread on different account types. Okay, spread is always different from account type to account type, okay, on the same broker. Okay, but for us, for the traders, all of those broker which are charging minimum spread are best for us. Okay, all of those brokers which charge minimum spread, they are best for us. Okay, because when spread will be less, okay, the advantage will be that our take profit will be hit first and our stop loss will be hit at the last. This will be our great advantage, and we have to pay less commission whenever spread is less. Okay, so less spread is best for all of the traders. And you know guys, nowadays there is a huge competition among all the brokers. So all of the brokers are providing, a very tight spread on major pairs like Euro USD, especially Euro USD and USD JPY. So spread is very important. Ideal spread on Euro USD should not be more than 1 pip. If it is 1 pip, then that's okay. It should be not more than 1 pip. Okay, this would be ideal spread on Euro USD and USD JPY also. And what I will suggest that on all the major pairs like AUD USD, NZD USD, GBP USD, USD COD, USD CHF, it should be between 1 to 2 pips, not more than 2 pips. If it is between 1 to 2 pips, then spread is okay. Nowadays, there is a huge competition among the brokers. So nowadays brokers are providing up to 0.5, 0.4 and 0.3 pips spread, but they charge a little bit commission on their ECN accounts. For example, if they are providing zero spread account, okay, and then they will charge a little bit commission for one standard lot. So extremely low spread on ECN accounts, but they charge specific commission on that. And all major pairs spread should be 1 to 2 pips. Okay, on the crosses pairs it should be between 2 to 4 pips or 2 to 3 pips. Okay, so this is how spread is going to play important role. Okay, on pairs like Euro USD, USD JPY, it should be between 1 pip. Okay, and on ECN account they are going to charge a little bit commission, but spread will be less as compared to other standard accounts. Okay, on major pair it should be between 1 to 2 pips, and on crosses it should be between 2 to 4 pips. Okay, so now we will take a look at the spread of different brokers. So my dear students, as we have studied this link again and again, okay, first of all you need to open investing.com, and then you need to come here on the brokers and then select forex brokers. Okay, now this spread is of ECN accounts. Okay, if they are providing 0.1 pip spread, keep in mind that it will be ECN account spread. Okay, and they are going to charge a little bit commission on one standard lot. Okay, now it is different from each broker. Okay, some broker charge more commission, some broker charge less commission. Anyways, we can see that 0.1 pip spread, okay, 0.5 0 pip, 0.1 1 pip, okay, 0 pip 0 pip, 1.1. so in this way you can check brokers spread. Okay, and all of the brokers, when you are going to open account on their website, they have already mentioned their spread on different account types. Okay, for example on standard accounts and on ECN accounts too. So spread is very important thing for the selection of a broker, because our concern is with less spread. If we are going to pay less commission, then it will be a huge advantage for us. If we are going to pay more commission, then it will be disadvantage for us. Okay, so this was the explanation that how spread is going to play an important role and what should be the spread on different pairs to choose a forex broker. I am sure that now it is going to give you a full understanding of that. Okay, thank you so much.